Good morning everybody. Another day out today, but this time this is my day out. This little man here is a little bit jealous, as you can see. Yeah. The escort sitting behind us. You might be able to gather what it is we're doing today. Basically this is my little treat from my baby Annabelle. She's got me the Car Chase Heroes day. So basically I'm out here today and I'm going to be jumping in the 1967 Shelby GT500. I've wanted to get in one of these cars pretty much since I was able to get in a car. So, to be able to put my foot to the metal, I can't wait. The only problem is I'm going to have to come out of here today without it. I will catch up with you shortly, and hopefully we will get some full-on footage of me racing this car about. Top Gear test track. Listen to those engines, look at that. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be showing you around a few cars. I'm going to jump in the car and have a little drive, and I'm going to hand the camera over to Ashton, and Ashton is going to finish the vlog today. So let's show you around a few of the cars we got here. As I said earlier, these are all movie cars. We've got the DB5 from James Bond. We've got the Daytona that Dom drives in Fast and the Furious. We've also got the Toyota Supra that Paul Walker drives in Fast and the Furious. We've got the Skyline that he drives in the Fast and the Furious. Apparently we've got the Bad Boys Porsche around here somewhere. Not seen that one just yet. Here we go, briefing over. Now I'm going to go find my car. So I will see you in a minute. I'm waiting to drive my car and I get my very own chair. There she is. Eleanor. Look at her. Oh my good lord, look at her. She is absolutely beautiful. So that is the car I will be driving today. I get 2 laps on a 2-mile course on the Top Gear track. So, oh my god, look at the AC Cobra. The man has just let me come out and record a little bit. Look at her. Oh my god, she is an absolute beauty. You're coming home with me today, baby. Well, I wish you were anyway. Look at her. Christmas list, Annabelle. You give me one of these for Christmas, and then I won't want anything else for the rest of my life. Look at her. Oh my god. Hello, Eleanor, baby. Hello.
Alright, so it's me now, Ashton, and just about to record Dad's driving experience with his most favourite car, GT500 Shelby. It's the 1967, and look how excited he is. Can't believe it, I'm so jealous. Oh. Right, so my dad has just turned on the engine, and sounds gorgeous. Just about to head off now, so I'm so excited for him. Dad, don't crash. So let's see what he does. Right, so just moved onto the grass And look, there he is, picking up some speed. Oh, it's bloody gorgeous. So jealous. Right, so as my dad is driving his car, I'm going to be talking about it. So, it's a 1967 GT500 Shelby. It's a 5-litre V8 and 535 brake, and you can't say that is not a beast. It's also got 500 pounds of torque per feet. It's just the most gorgeous car I'd probably ever see in my life. There he is. Oh, look at that beast. Oh wow. Look at that. Just sounds so good.
Hello, and I'm back. That was the most amazing experience of my life. Absolutely loved it. It was restricted to 3,500 revs, but we still got up to about 90 miles an hour as far as I know. I wasn't really looking at the speed, I was too busy looking in front of me. But oh my god, my hands are still aching from the rattling and the shaking and the smell of the old car. It's just nothing like it. It really isn't. Jumped in that car and it just took me back to when I first passed my test and I was driving around my Peugeot 205 GTI. It just had that old-fashioned smell to it. That concludes my day racing the Shelby GT500, aka Eleanor. So if you like the video, please like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and stay tuned for lots of other bits and pieces in the future. Thank you very much. Goodbye.